How do I receive notifications for a WhatsApp call when my phone is muted?
Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to receive WhatsApp call notifications when your phone is muted.
Why can't you hear WhatsApp call notifications when your phone is muted?
When your phone is muted, all sounds and vibrations are turned off. This means that you won't hear any incoming calls or notifications unless you have configured specific settings.
How to receive WhatsApp call notifications when your phone is muted?
To receive WhatsApp call notifications when your phone is muted, you can enable the Always On feature in WhatsApp. Here's how you can do it. 1. Open WhatsApp on your phone. 2. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen to open the settings menu. 3. Tap on Notifications and then Light, Vibration and Sound. 4. Scroll down to the Calls section and turn on the Always On toggle. Once you have enabled the Always On feature, you will receive a notification for incoming WhatsApp calls even when your phone is muted. However, keep in mind that this feature may drain your battery faster, so use it only when necessary. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to enable the Always On feature in WhatsApp if you want to receive call notifications when your phone is muted. Thanks for watching and have a great day.